Today, my tita is cooking this. It's very yummy. It's barbecue. Not with soy, but mother's best. It's very yummy. Ooh. It's smoky. Hindi pa luto. Kakaglagay lang yung sauce. Ito yung mga iba pa. Hindi pa ito luto. Basta lang. Hindi pa sila luto. Ito yung pang sauce, pang lagay. Parang ketchup. Hindi ako nagluloko. Ito pa yung ginamit na sauce. Mother's best oyster. It's very good. So, I will show you later. And now, may flip na. Wow, very yummy. But I will be cooking later. I will add the sauce and flip the... And that was my... And that's my sister. Little sister. The...
Hi guys.
That's the... Ooh, very juicy. So yummy. I wanna eat it right away. Ooh, very red. Ang red. Ano yun? Tutong kulay. Orange naman. Pero parang red naman dito sa camera. But it's very yummy. It's smoking. Ooh, smoke. Ooh. Guys, today I'm back. It was very short. I just ended the video. Now I can just cook. But I have to just flip it. Because my tita said so. At least I can cook now. And I might just add the sauce later. Nabalutod ko na pala yan. I'm cooking. I think this is your second time, guys, you seeing me cook, and it's very good. Sabi daw ng tita ko, ganito ko lang. I-flip lang palagi. Hindi ko alam. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's it, guys. That's my food. And I will see you guys on my eating video. It will be soon. Bye bye, guys. I'll be cooking this because it's very hard to cook while I'm holding this. So bye bye, guys. Bye bye.